Recognizing and responding to a reaction. Signs of a mild to moderate reaction. Most allergic reactions start mild, and recognize them early gives you the best chance of stopping things from getting worse. Mild to moderate signs include an itchy or tingling mouth, a raised itchy rash or hives, swelling of the lips, face or eyes, a runny or blocked nose, and tummy pain, feeling sick or vomiting. At this stage, follow the child's allergy action plan. That may mean an antihistamine and close monitoring, but stay alert because a mild reaction can progress. And your job now is to watch carefully for any sign that is becoming severe. Signs of anaphylaxis. Now, the most important video in the whole of this course. These are the signs that a reaction has become anaphylaxis, a life-threatening emergency. Remember them as airway, breathing and consciousness. Airway, swelling of the throat or tongue, difficulty in swallowing, a hoarse voice, or the sense the throat is closing. Breathing, it's going to become difficult, it's going to become fast or noisy or wheezing, or maybe a persistent cough, or the child going quiet and struggling for air. Consciousness, feeling faint or dizzy, becoming pale or floppy, confused, collapse, or loss of consciousness altogether. If you see any one of these airway, breathing, or consciousness signs, treat it as anaphylaxis straight away. Do not wait to see if it gets worse. Here is exactly what to do if a child shows signs of anaphylaxis. Stay calm. Your calm helps everyone. Step 1. Lay the child down. But if they're struggling to breathe, let them sit up, but never stand them or walk them around because that can be dangerous as it affects their blood pressure. Step 2. Use the adrenaline auto-injector pen without delay. Follow the instructions. But please note the time you gave it. Step 3. Call 999 immediately and say the word anaphylaxis clearly so the call is prioritised, and make sure you give full address. Step 4. If there's no improvement after 5 minutes, give a second auto-injector. Step 5. Stay with them. Keep them laying down and send someone to direct the ambulance into where you are, and also to fetch your child's plan and any spare devices. Lay them down, give them adrenaline, call 999, repeat at 5 minutes if needed. That sequence will save lives. The correct position. Position matters more than people realise in anaphylaxis. When blood pressure drops, standing or sitting a child up can cause them to deteriorate suddenly. If they are conscious, lay them flat and legs raised ideally if they can tolerate that. But if breathing is difficult, they can sit up but should stay on the floor. If they're pregnant, lay them on their left side. If they become unconscious and are breathing, put them in the recovery position. The single most important rule, keep them low. Do not stand them up, even if they say they feel better and want to get up.